Hello friends, this is Ratul, your tech assistant, and you're watching Accessible Computing YouTube channel, and warm welcome to another episode of Advanced Excel for Visually Impaired. Friends, today's episode will be very interesting because today we will learn how you can create drop-down list in your EMS Excel sheet. It helps you and it saves you time. Suppose you have a column called gender or you have a column called status, so you need to enter several times like pass, fail, or attended, or pending, completed, uploaded, or something like this. So what you can do, you can just create a drop down list and you can use easily the drop down list and enter your data. To do this, you have to know the data validation. You also must know the basics of data validation. Those who have missed previous two videos related data validation, please watch that. The video's link or the playlist link is given in the description below. Those who are interested to know about the future videos, please subscribe and press the bell icon to choose all notifications, get latest videos and updates. All applications and updates and more informations has been posted to our official Telegram channel. The link of the Telegram channel has given into the description below. Also, you may search on Telegram Accessible Computing. You will find and you can join. Friends, one more request. Please like the video. You are watching videos but you are not liking the videos. I need more likes, more support from you. I don't want so much money from you, but I want like from you, I want shares from you, and I want comment from you. Then I will be motivated to make new videos for you. So guys, without any delay, let's start today's interesting episode. So friends, I have already made a column
Gender.
So below this,
Blank F3.
here I need to apply the data validation. Here I need to create the drop down list. How to create? Let me go to the data validation tab.
Alt leaving menus, leaving ribbon.
Pressing tab.
CV, allow combo box.
From allow combo box, we need to choose list.
List 4 of 8. List.
After that, I am pressing tab.
Source edit type and text. Alt.
In the source edit box, you have to type the option. Remember, you have to use comma sign between two options. For my case, I have to type here male or female. So that's why I am typing MALE male, then comma,
male, comma,
then female. So remember friends, you do not use the space bar between the options, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so you can use the spacebar between your options, but options means suppose you want to write that I am selected, comma I am not selected. You can use the spacebar between I and am, but you are not allowed to use the spacebar between I am selected and I am not selected. Okay, so that's it. I'm pressing tab.
Ignore and cell clear all button to alt and cell drop down checkbox check.
Yes, in cell drop down. Okay, this checkbox must be checked.
Clear all button. Okay, can't. Okay button.
So I'm pressing spacebar here.
Enter.
Okay.
Escape. Type gender. Blank
Gender.
F3 contains data Raju. Blank F3 contains data validation drop down menu.
Contains data validation drop down menu. How to access this? Do you know how to access this? Let me know into the comment section if you know the access key. Okay, no problem. I am just going to tell you. To access this, you have to press Alt plus down arrow key to expand the drop down list.
Male.
Male.
Female.
Female. So if I want to choose male, just move your focus on male, then press enter to select.
Enter. Male F3 contains data valid Raju. Male F3 contains data validation.
Okay. So this is the way you can easily create drop-down list in your MS Excel by using data validation. this is for today, friends. I hope you have enjoyed this video, you have enjoyed the content, and you have learned how to use MS Excel in a professional way. If you watch all the videos which I'm going to upload in this series, your productivity will be increased. It's my promise to you, friends. So don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the latest uploads, latest videos. Friends, see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay trained, and take care of yourself. This is Ratul signing off.